Let me show you something. This thing right here is a ScreenBar Halo. It's a monitor light from BenQ that will illuminate the whole working area here, the whole desk, and also optionally the wall behind the monitor without adding any kind of a glare or reflection on the screen, as you can see. Setting the light is really simple. You just need to clip it to your monitor like you would do with your webcam. And then just plug the USB from the light to either your laptop, your monitor, or your desktop computer. Also, you can power it with external power bank. ScreenBar supports a big variety of monitors from flat to curved, and if your monitor is really thin with a thickness less than 0.7 centimeters, then you should use included adapter in order to attach the light to it. This ScreenBar is priced higher than a competition. It's around $180 and wow, it's a solid price for the monitor light if you're thinking like that. But it's way better than a competition. In my opinion, this is the best ScreenBar on the market and the build quality is amazing, but what is really important is the light itself, the quality of the light and the light spreading pattern. It doesn't spread the light symmetrically, but instead it has asymmetrical light spreading pattern, so one side of the light is going parallel with the screen without affecting the screen, without making a glow or reflection on the screen, and another side of the light is illuminating the working area, the table, the whole desk in front of you without interfering with your eyes, and you can freely look at the monitor without even noticing that the light is there. The light is controlled by a wireless touch-sensitive controller that has several options that you can do with it. The light has 3 modes, so you can turn both front and back light, only front or only back light by pressing on the button on the controller. Also, you can change the color temperature from 2700 kelvins to 6500 kelvins, and also you can change the brightness of the light by rotating this really nice build quality controller. By the way, now that I mentioned the build quality, the light is very well built. It's a combination of brushed aluminum and really good quality plastic. Also, the controller is made by the same materials. The controller is powered by 3 AAA batteries that are included in the package, so you don't need to worry about that, and it will last for a long time. On the bottom side of the controller we have a rubber ring that is a really good addition, so when the light is on the table it won't move freely, it will be practically stuck there. There are 2 more modes on the controller. There is a favorite mode. When you press and hold it for 2 seconds, it will memorize the current settings that you have it, so you can recall it later anytime you want with just one press of that button. And also there is an auto dimming, a real-time auto dimming mode. There is a sensor in the light that is in real time measuring the ambient light on your desk, and it will supplement the brightness of your desktop to recommended 500 lux. So when you press that button, you will see the light will dim and try to measure in real time the light and temperature in this room, and this is how it looks. Also, I can always press and hold favorite button and bring it to my favorite settings for this situation. ScreenBar is made with the idea to reduce your eye strains and to make the overall working experience in front of your monitor much more pleasant. Also, there are few health benefits, like there is anti-flicker technology, and you know that when the light is flickering, even if you cannot notice it, it can damage our eyes. This is really bad, but this is a non-flickering light. Also, there is no blue light hazard, which is really important because you know that the blue light is bad for our eyes. So using this light, it's really safe for our eyes. Also, you can calibrate your monitor while the light is on. The BenQ has measured the calibration of the monitor with the light off and the light on, and in both situations the delta E is less than 1. That means that this light doesn't affect calibration at all. Another cool thing is that the light is mounted at the top of your screen, so that means that you have more desk real estate. You don't need an additional light stand for your lamp. Basically, the monitor is a light stand. Also, there is one bonus thing, one additional thing, and that's a webcam holder, and it looks like this. So basically, you can mount this at the top of your light and just attach the webcam on your light, and in that way you have the webcam in the center of of your monitor, which you always want to have when you're doing some kind of video calls, etc. Overall, I can recommend this light to anybody out there, especially for people who are sitting in the front of their monitor for a longer period of time, because this light is made with the intention to take care of your eyes, and also the light pattern is amazing. It will cover the whole desk, and also you will feel much more pleasant using this light without any kind of glare or reflection of the light from your screen, etc. You have the link down in the description if you want to purchase it, and if you have any kind of comments, let me know down there in the comment section, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.